Well, hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today's bonus video giveaway is mostly Nana Coco polishes. We've got one with really ugly bottle syndrome, but it's still got a really good formula. There's nothing wrong with the polish itself. It's still beautiful and creamy. So, like I have mentioned in the other videos, most of these polishes have, well, all of these polishes have been swatched, at least on a swatch wheel. They've been swatch dotted, and they are, some of them may have been worn in a manicure. I don't remember which ones have and which ones haven't, so if you have a problem with, polishes that have been worn by me, then you don't want to enter this. This giveaway is not for you. So today we've got 7 Nana Cocos and 1 Color Club. Now I've got 2 different bottle shapes in the Nana Coco. I don't remember if there were different lines of it or what, but I had 7 of them and then 1 Color Club. The Color Club I have here is called On the Rocks. It's beautiful silver. It may be a good stamper. I don't know. Polishes like this do tend to stamp well. We've got this black, and it is called Love Black. And then in the same shape bottle, we've got So Chocolatey. And then we've got the white, which also needs a good shake. I've shaken most of these, but I had hundreds, and so I just didn't do them all. And this next one is a Fly to the Galaxy. Beautiful purpley blue polish. And then next we have Cotton Hair. We've got Chocolate Factory. You may want to take these labels down better if you win this group. And these next two reminded me of indie polishes. I just thought that they were so cool, and I hadn't seen anything like that. This one's called Gorgeous. You'll know I say that all the time. And then this last one is called Shoe Cream. So, if you are interested in the Nana Coco / Color Club giveaway, you need to be 18 or older or have your parents' permission. You need to be a subscriber. You need to leave me a comment down below. And you need to live in the United States, because right now I just cannot ship any polishes out of the United States. I have to go to the post office to do that, and that's kind of a problem. So if you're interested in this set of polishes that I'm giving away, please leave me a comment down below. That is it for me today. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself. Talk to you soon. Bye.